Okay, so today is Thursday, August, let's see, 6th, and I did DoorDash until about 1 o'clock, from about probably 9 a.m. to 1 o'clock, and did some, got some money. Then I packaged up some shirts and sent them to my brother at the post office. I had a box full of donations that I donated to the thrift store about 2 miles from me. Then I packed up my car full of 11 bags of trash and took it to the dump. And then I came back, and in my storage shed there was these roof shingles that I bought 10 years ago. And I loaded them up in the car, and a gallon of antifreeze that I had left over from trucking, put it in the car, took it over to the thrift store. The guy named John, he said, "Yeah, I'll take it," you know. So he took all that. John is kind of a dumping point in a way, for a lot of stuff that I have. I've given him, so many boxes of stuff. When the India people gave me 2 boxes of stuff, I turn around and give those boxes to John. So now I am going to try to clean out the second bedroom. And I'm going to move stuff into the living room here so that I can get to stuff in the second bedroom. And I've cleared out some stuff in that storage shed that I can take from the bedroom and put in the storage shed. And why? I have this inflatable boat that I was going to use. I can't really sell it. I can't sell much of anything. Trying to sell stuff is just, forget it. Try to have a yard sale, having strange people over at my place, no. Selling on a corner, no. People just don't want to give you, hardly anything. So, it's hard to sell. It's hard to sell online. It's been sitting there for months trying to sell stuff. So, I'm just gonna, I've been throwing a lot of stuff away. Stuff that I could probably sell, I've been throwing it away or giving it away. So, I don't know if I'm gonna even try to sell like anything anymore online or whatever. I just don't think I can really sell anything. So it's either give it away or throw it away. So I'll make another video and show you some things. Okay. Okay, this is I've been working like cleaning stuff out, for the dog and everything, and just cleaning and moving. So this is the second bedroom that I cannot walk in. And I've got some stuff way over there. So by the end of the day, in the next couple hours, I've had to move so many things because of the dogs and the cats and everything. So now that, I don't have that puppy anymore getting into things, and I have just the one cat, and he doesn't really mess things, too much anymore. I'm going to get this all. I'm going to take a lot of this stuff and put it in the living room and just get some big stuff that's back in the corner out. And then I put my desk there to try to sell stuff, my table. I was selling stuff on Whatnot. I might still be able to do that. That at least worked, the Whatnot. So being as I've piled up so much stuff, I can't even get to it. I'll look at trying to sell stuff on Whatnot a little bit later, like, I don't know, a week or so or whatever later. So I've got all this stuff, a lot of these things I could give away or throw away. And, I don't know if people want to say, hey, can I have that? Can I have that? No, I'm not even putting it up online. I'm giving it to John down the street. And he could sell it in his thrift store. So, and then there's also a thrift store for the homeless, but they're way over in Gainesville, and that's a big trip. And I've dumped some bunch of stuff off there too over the years. I've been trying to clean over 20 years since I've had this house. This room used to be clear, like at least a couple times. And then look, it's crazy. You know, too much. So anyway, all right.